Most people never see the work that keeps the world moving. Take shipping. Beyond the giant container ships, there's a fleet of Ro and Ropax vessels, the unsung heroes of short sea routes. These ships aren't just about moving cargo, they're about precision, teamwork, and a fast-paced life at sea. If you're curious about a maritime career that's dynamic and rewarding, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what makes working on Ro and Ropax ships a smart move for seafarers. Ro and Ropax vessels are the backbone of short-sea shipping, moving everything from cars to heavy machinery across busy channels every day. The demand for skilled crews is constant. These ships never stop, and neither does the need for reliable mariners. For seafarers, this means real job security and a steady stream of opportunities. In a world where industries rise and fall, short-sea shipping offers stability you can count on. It's a career where your skills are always in demand. Long-haul shipping means months away, but Ro and Ropax routes are different, voyages are short, schedules are predictable. You know when you'll be home, making it possible to plan your life and actually be there for the moments that matter. This work-life balance is rare in maritime careers. More frequent homecomings mean you can build a life on shore, not just at sea. For many, that's the biggest reason to choose this path. These ships run on tight schedules, and companies pay well for skilled, efficient crews. Competitive salaries, solid benefits, and overtime opportunities make this a lucrative career. Social security, medical coverage, and job security are standard with reputable operators. You're rewarded for your expertise and hard work. It's a financial package that respects your skill and supports your future. Ro and Ropax vessels are packed with advanced technology, navigation, propulsion, safety systems. Every voyage is hands-on training, building skills that are prized across the industry. You'll master complex machinery, rapid loading logistics, and top-tier safety protocols. This experience accelerates your career and opens doors to higher positions. You're not just earning a living, you're investing in your professional growth. Life on these ships is all about teamwork. Every crew member plays a vital role. The environment is fast-paced and multicultural. With colleagues from around the world, you learn to communicate, collaborate, and build friendships that span continents. This global network makes you a better mariner and a more open-minded person. On board, you're part of a family working toward a common goal. Working on Ro and Ropax ships means seeing iconic coastlines and bustling ports up close. Every day brings new scenery, sunrises over the sea, busy harbors, and historic cities. You get to know these places, not just pass through them. Even short shore leaves offer a taste of local life. It's adventure and stability all in one career. Ro and Ropax shipping is dominated by established, reputable companies. Working for them means job security, timely pay, and well-maintained ships. These companies invest in their crews, offering training and clear paths for advancement. Hard work is recognized and rewarded with real career growth. You're not just taking a job, you're building a future with a company you can trust. A career on Ro or Ropax vessels is fast-paced, stable, and rewarding. You get job security, great pay, and a schedule that lets you enjoy life on land. The skills you gain are valuable everywhere in the maritime world. You'll work with a diverse, global team and see the world from a unique perspective. For those who want meaningful work and a secure future, this is a smart choice. Ready to start or advance your maritime career? Visit candina.crewinspector.com and apply today. Free recruitment for seafarers.